Hello again. So let's continue with the aquatic ecosystems. I already explained in the first video the marine ecosystems, and now we are going to continue with freshwater ecosystems, aquatic ecosystems. Remember that freshwater ecosystems has water without salt, with no salt. All right? So we have three types. Well, we have two types. We will see. So, freshwater ecosystems. The first one is called flowing water. Water that is moving all the time, flowing. Think that, for example, the water at a river is all time changing, all time moving. All right, so some examples of flowing water are rivers and streams. Streams are rivers in which the water moves very, very fast, or rivers that are small rivers. In Spanish are called arroyos, streams. Okay, so we've got rivers and streams. The water is all the time moving. And some examples of fauna, of animals of this ecosystem are crocodiles, turtles, frogs, and I'm sure you know many more examples. And some examples of flora of plants are water lilies, as you can see here, or reeds. These sticks that are close to the river are called reeds. So, from the freshwater ecosystem, we've got flowing water ecosystem, and we've got standing water, that the water that don't move, the water that stands, that is most of the time still. In the flowing water, the water goes moving, but at the standing water, the water is still, without moving. So at the standing water, we've got lakes, ponds, and wetlands. Ponds are small lakes, and because they are smaller, they have no waves, any waves. The water at the ponds is very, very still. It's not moving. And then we've got wetlands that are freshwater ecosystems that covers the soil with not many water. As you can see at this picture, the water just cover the soil, but it's not very deep. The water at this ecosystem. So some examples of animals at wetlands, in Spanish humedales, are pelicans or flamingos. And then some examples of animals at the lakes and ponds are ducks or tadpoles. Those are like the beginning of frogs. Do you know that frogs first came from an egg, and then they changed into this shape, and then finally they are frogs. So tadpoles are and frogs are part of lakes and ponds. All right. So that's the end of the explanation about aquatic ecosystems. Remember that freshwater ecosystems have no salt in their water, and marine ecosystems have salt in their water. Okay, bye bye.